Start by changing this to fractional exponents. We have a power of 4 and a cube root, and we have a power of 2 and a fifth root. Okay, so at this point, we're two numbers, same base, and we're multiplying, so we would add the exponents. The fact that they're fractions makes it slightly annoying, but let's bring them together. Common denominator here in order to add fractions. So 15 would make a good denominator. And we multiply the 3 by 5, so we have to multiply the 4 by 5. Multiply the 5 by 3, so we multiply the 2 by 3. And we end up with y to the 26 over 15. Okay, so there's a final answer, except for they want the answer in radical form. And part of simplifying with radical form is stopping and saying, we'll pull out as much as we can out of that fraction. So in order to do that, we stop and we think about the y. How many y's are we talking about? Well, we're talking about one full y, in other words, a 15 over a 15, and our leftovers would be 11 over 15. So now would be a good time to put it back into radical form, because now we've already pulled out one of the y's, and we're left with a y in here as an 11 and a 15. And so could you have, at this point, put it back into the radical form and then pull it out like we did previously? Absolutely. Whichever way makes the more sense to you. The fact that we already have it in fractional form makes it a little easier to kind of think about, 15 over 15 can be pulled out. But if you would rather go to the radical form earlier,